As you can see, Ethereum is capitulating, and it's actually the entire market. We are seeing crypto capitulation on the weekly and on the daily, a sea of red. Let's talk about the buy zone for Ethereum. We're going to talk about this higher time frame chart for Ethereum, and of course the lower time frame as well. Guys, hit the like button. Good times, bad times. We need to know exactly how to play this right now in terms of trading, in terms of buying and holding. Don't panic. This is perfectly within the realms of what a bull cycle is. Look at this. This is the weekly chart for Ethereum, where we've been creating these lows, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And we could come down quite a bit further and still be within a bull trend. So it's important that you continue to hit the like button. Do subscribe if you're new to the channel, and let's get into today's video. It's important that we quickly start with Bitcoin. Similar chart, still looking at this trend of higher lows, higher highs, which you can see Bitcoin is very much within. If you get rid of that higher high, higher low situation for Bitcoin, like Ethereum, you can see it's above the bull market support band, and it's looking healthy on the log chart as well. So just to show you, Bitcoin and Ethereum are both looking very bullish. Now, if we look at the Ethereum chart for the weekly, we can see, if you look at the Fibonacci retracement levels, we're actually way above even the first support, the 0.382 fib level, which is down at $2,880. So consider that $2,888 as kind of a medium time frame support. You can also look very much at the bull market support bands, which on the high time frame on Ethereum are down at the low $3,000s, $3,200, you could say, approximately speaking. The other thing that's important to note here are the weekly levels. Okay, let's look at the weekly levels. In terms of resistance right now, weekly resistance is at $3,800, and the weekly support is $2,900. So anywhere getting into the low $3,000 to $3,000 and the high 2,000s for me is a strong buy. I wouldn't be looking to buy right now in terms of trading. Of course, long-term accumulation, always a good time within a bull market, particularly to keep accumulating. And of course, in bear markets, you should be buying as well. But right now, for me, in the low time frame, which we're going to look at now, is a shorting opportunity. Why do I say that? Well, look at this on the lower time frames. Okay, right now, if you bring up a Fibonacci retracement, which is on the daily chart here, we can see that although we're being supported at the 0.382 fib level, which is $3,500, we don't have a lot more going for us, because if we remove the Fibonacci retracement, you do have these trend lines to take note of. Now, these trend lines are sort of a triangle, sort of kind of an arc, you could say, and you can see that we could easily come down quite a bit further to the fib levels of the golden pocket. So that would take us down to some levels such as $3,250. Even we should at least, in my opinion, get down to 3,370, which would be the 0.5 level on the Fibonacci retracement. The other important thing we can look at here is the bull market support band on the lower time frame, which you can see corresponds pretty well with the golden pocket. Okay, so for me, like I said before, when you start getting into the low 3,000s, it's a good opportunity to long. But right now, it looks to me like a very much a short opportunity. If you want to short crypto with no KYC, so you can do it from anywhere in the world, I recommend BloFin. I've been using them to trade. Really good exchange. If you click the link in the description below, guys, you'll get at least guaranteed $100 by depositing $100, but you can get all the way up to $5,000 by depositing slightly more. You click on that link, takes you to this page with yours truly, As I said, join Marzel on BloFin today and win a welcome bonus of up to $5,000. BloFin, you can trade leverage futures, no KYC, up to 150x leverage. You've got all the cryptocurrencies you could ever dream of. There are hundreds, maybe even thousands, meme coins, hot coins, trending coins, RWA, BRC20, anything you can imagine with a market cap of more than like 100 million is going to be on BloFin, and you can trade, like I said, no KYC. Right. What I want to show you now is some further analysis on Ethereum in terms of shorting, low time frame. If you want to short right now, like I suggest, let's look at what the key levels would be. So I'm going to bring up CoinGPT here. As many of you know, this is a bot that uses real-time data from charts and OpenAI's interpretation. So it's a Telegram bot, it's free. Link in the description, by the way, you can use it for yourself. What we're going to do is analyze ETH, USDT. We're going to get some analysis up here. It's going to give us the 1 hour time frame as a default here. Let me just check it. So here we go. On the 1 hour time frame, it's suggesting a long. Interesting. If we go into the 4 hour time frame, let's see what the analysis does here. So AI at the moment says long, but on the 4 hour time frame, it is suggesting Ethereum short, and this is kind of the trade that I'm looking for here. So we've got a take profit, gives you take profits and stop losses as well. It's got a take profit of 60% and a stop loss of 30%. That includes my leverage, by the way. So this bot can actually take trades as well, and I've got my leverage set at 16x leverage. It's using 16% of my balance currently. But in this analysis, what's really cool is if I click take trade now, which I'm going to do and show you, it's going to open up this trade in my Bybit account. It also works with BloFin, by the way, and Binance. So I'm going to click take trade now, tap on that button, and it's going to put that short on with that take profit and stop loss, which is a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So you can see that trade's opened in my Bybit account. Take trade settings allows me to even see that open position in Telegram here, and I can even close it from now. I'm not going to close it, I'm going to keep that trade open. So like I showed you guys, if you want to analyze any coin in any time frame, not just these, you can analyze any coin by putting the ticker USDT. Do check out the link down below, CoinGPT. Very, very cool. I'll put a video card up there as well. You can watch a tutorial on how it works. If you want to watch a tutorial on how to trade crypto on BloFin, no KYC exchange, there'll be a link in the description as well, and a card coming up there. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Links below for your bonuses. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you're bullish or bearish on Ethereum right now. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.